Hi friends! Today we're making potato nests with chicken and veggies. Cut the chicken fillet into small pieces. I'm using one large chicken fillet today. Chicken is a great source of protein. It helps your body grow and recover. It's also packed with B vitamins and minerals that keep your energy and heart healthy. Chicken is easy to digest and perfect for a balanced, healthy diet. Hi, I'm Isabel. I'm so happy to see you on my channel. Add some salt. I'm using iodized sea salt. Iodized sea salt supports thyroid function and boosts immunity. Add a bit of black pepper. Mix everything well so the spices spread evenly. Chicken has amino acids that help your memory and brain stay sharp. We'll need about 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds, of potatoes, around 5 medium ones. Potatoes are one of the oldest veggies in the world. People have grown them for over 7,000 years. They're rich in vitamin C and potassium, which keep your heart and muscles in shape. Potatoes come in white, yellow, and even purple, a fun way to surprise your guests. Fun fact, potatoes are natural comedians. Make smiley fries for kids and laughter will fill the kitchen. Use a sharp, wide kitchen knife for slicing, it's faster and safer. Today we'll turn ordinary potatoes into elegant potato nests made of mashed potatoes. Add water and salt so the mash turns soft and tasty. While potatoes are boiling, let's prepare the aromatic veggie filling. Chop one onion into small cubes. Onions are full of vitamins C and B, great for immunity and heart health. They make us cry because of special compounds that tickle our eyes. Tears are just protecting them. Use a sharp, wide knife. It'll make cutting onions easier and with fewer tears. Add a bit of vegetable oil and butter to the pan. I love that sizzling sound. It means the magic of flavor is starting. Fried onions become sweet and fragrant, adding depth and aroma to any dish. They still keep vitamins and antioxidants that are great for your heart and immune system. Fry onions on medium heat. Let them caramelize slowly for that natural sweetness. While onions are sizzling, chop 2 cloves of garlic. It'll add aroma and spice. Garlic is full of antioxidants and boosts your immune system. It also supports heart health, lowers cholesterol, and adds bold flavor to any dish. Everyone loves garlic, even vampires stay away from this kitchen. Tip: use a sharp knife so garlic cuts evenly and quickly, no extra tears. Garlic enhances the flavor of both veggies and meat, making the dish super aromatic. Add garlic to the pan, let that smell wake up the whole kitchen. Onion and garlic together, that's the dream team of flavor. Tell me in the comments, which city are you watching from? I'd love to know. Chop one red bell pepper into small pieces. Bell peppers, red, yellow, or green, are rich in vitamin C and great for your immune system. Each color brings a different flavor. Red is sweet, yellow is mild, and green is a bit tangy. Red peppers are so bright they make any dish cheerful. They're full of carotenoids, great for your skin and eyes. Add the chopped pepper to the pan and stir well so everything cooks evenly. Fried onion, garlic, and peppers together create a sweet spicy aroma you'll love. Add a little salt to enhance the veggie flavors. Add some smoked paprika for a touch of smokiness. A bit of dried thyme adds a nice herbal aroma and depth. Stir everything well. Fried veggies aren't just tasty, they're also healthy and easier to digest. Veggies and chicken together, the perfect balance of protein and vitamins for lasting energy. It's filling but not heavy, healthy and satisfying at the same time. Add the chicken to the veggies and stir so it soaks up all those delicious aromas. Cook on medium heat for about 78 minutes until golden and juicy. Look how colorful and beautiful it's turning out, a real feast for the eyes. Let me know in the comments if you liked this recipe, I'd love to hear from you. Add some fresh spinach leaves, they'll bring color and freshness to the dish. Spinach is full of iron and fiber, great for your blood and energy. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, good for eyes, bones, and immunity. It also has antioxidants that help your skin stay young and glowing. Spinach keeps your brain and heart healthy. Eat it and feel stronger and smarter. The potatoes are ready. Time to make smooth, flavorful mashed potatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of starch, It helps the mash hold its shape. Add 2 eggs. Mix everything thoroughly. The starch and eggs make the mash firm, perfect for shaping our potato nests. Use a piping bag to easily shape your potato nests. Transfer the mashed potatoes into the bag. It'll help make perfect nest shapes. This dish will turn out not just beautiful but incredibly tasty. Carefully form the nests by piping out the potatoes. Follow along, it's super easy. From our batch, I got 5 potato nests. Fill each nest with the chicken and veggie mix. It already looks amazing, bright, appetizing, and festive. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric with 1 egg and a teaspoon of marjoram. Add 3 tablespoons of sour cream and mix until smooth. We'll make a creamy topping to add tenderness and flavor. The topping makes each nest juicy and melt in your mouth soft. Carefully pour the topping into the nests so each one gets filled. Bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Chop 1 ripe tomato. Let's treat ourselves to a fresh Greek salad today. Tomatoes are full of lycopene, a strong antioxidant for heart and cell health. They also have vitamin C and A, great for immunity, vision, and skin. Chop half a sweet pepper. I picked a green one today. Add the chopped pepper to the tomatoes. Add some greens for your Greek salad. Add a few olives. Cut 100 grams, about 3/4 cup, of feta cheese into large cubes. Feta is rich in protein and calcium, great for bones and teeth, plus it adds that bold, tangy flavor. Add a little salt to bring out the flavors in the salad. Mix a teaspoon of Dijon mustard into the olive oil. Add a bit of honey for a hint of sweetness. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon, it'll make the salad fresh and zesty. Mix it all well. Pour the dressing over the salad and gently toss everything. Grate 100 grams, about 1 cup, of hard cheese. Sprinkle the grated cheese over the baked potato nests, that'll give a golden crust. Bake again for 5–10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Our potato nests are ready, place them on a serving plate. Serve with freshly made Greek salad, colorful, tasty, and homey. We've made a delicious, balanced dish with chicken and veggies. The potato nests turned out so juicy and flavorful, can't wait to try them. It's absolutely delicious, aromatic, tender, and totally homemade. If you liked this recipe, share it with your friends, spread the tasty vibes. Thanks for watching till the end. Hit like, or my salad might get jealous. Enjoy your meal.